In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change HDRI in Unreal Engine 5. By the end, you'll have a custom HDRI lighting your scene and providing natural reflections, which is great for realistic renders and product shots. Start by downloading an image you want to use as your HDRI backdrop. For best results, choose a high dynamic range. Panoramic image, designed for 3D use. These are typically equirectangular 360-degree images. Save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. After downloading, locate the file and make sure its file type ends with .hdr. Renaming the file to add.hdr helps Unreal recognize it as a cube map source. Just keep in mind, renaming doesn't convert a non-HDR image into a true HDR file. So ideally, you should download an actual HDR image to begin with. Now, open Unreal Engine. Once your project loads, open the content drawer at the bottom of the editor so you can see your project folders. Click Add, then choose Import to Current Folder. Navigate to your downloaded .hdr file, select it, and click Open. Give it a moment to import. Depending on the file size, this may take a little while, and you might see shaders compile briefly. Next, go to the top menu and click Edit, then Plugins. In the Plugins window, search for HDRI Backdrop and make sure it's enabled. This feature adds a special actor that wraps your scene with the HDR image and uses it for lighting and reflections. When it's enabled, you're ready to place it in the level. Close the Plugins window and click the Quickly Create button in the main toolbar. Hover over Lights, then select HDRI Backdrop. Unreal will place an HDRI backdrop actor in your scene. With that actor selected, look over to the Details panel. Find the Cube Map setting. Click the drop-down and choose the HDR image you just imported as your backdrop. As soon as you assign it, you should see your sky, reflections, and overall scene lighting update to match the environment in your HDR image. If your scene looks different for a moment, that's normal while the engine finishes updating materials and lighting. This setup works well for look development, product visualization, and scenes that benefit from believable ambient light. That's the full process. Download your HDR image, ensure it's in .hdr file, import it into your project. Enable the HDRI Backdrop plugin, add the HDRI Backdrop from the Lights menu, and assign your image in the Cube Map setting. Thanks for watching, and enjoy lighting your scenes with your new HDRI Backdrop.